25 years after creating history, Lagan is back in the headlines. But this time, it's not because of a box office record. It's because of one of the biggest honors an Indian film can receive. From a rare tribute by India Post to an emotional reunion of the original cast, a successful return to theatres, and now a special IMAX screening in London. Here's why Lagan's Silver Jubilee is being celebrated in such a grand way. When Lagan Once Upon a Time in India released in 2001, it wasn't just another Bollywood film. It became a landmark in Indian cinema, a film that connected with audiences across India and around the world. Directed by Ashutosh Gowarikar and produced by Aamir Khan Productions, Lagan changed the way the world looked at Indian films. Its inspiring story, memorable characters, outstanding performances, and timeless music made it an instant classic. Now, 25 years later, the celebrations are just as memorable as the film itself. And the biggest highlight comes from an honor that very few Indian films have received. To celebrate Lagan's Silver Jubilee, India Post has honored Aamir Khan by releasing a special commemorative cover along with exclusive picture postcards inspired by the film. This rare philatelic tribute recognizes Lagan's remarkable contribution to Indian cinema and its lasting impact across the world. Very few films receive this kind of national recognition. That's why this honor is not just special for Aamir Khan and the entire Lagan team. It's a proud moment for Indian cinema. But the celebrations didn't end there. Aamir Khan recently reunited with director Ashutosh Gowarikar along with the original cast and crew for a special anniversary celebration in Mumbai. The reunion was full of memories, smiles, laughter, and plenty of emotional moments. Everyone looked back at the incredible journey of making one of India's most iconic films. They spoke about the intense cricket practice, the tough outdoor shoot in Gujarat, and the hard work that went into every single scene. Listening to those stories felt like going back 25 years. For fans, seeing the entire team together once again was truly special. It reminded everyone how one film can create memories that last a lifetime. Adding to the celebrations, Lagan also returned to cinemas for a special 3-day re-release, and audiences welcomed it with tremendous love. People who had watched the film in 2001 relived those unforgettable memories, and for the younger generation, it was their first opportunity to experience Lagan on the big screen. The response proved one simple fact: great cinema never goes out of style. And now, the celebrations are reaching audiences across the globe. Lagan is all set for a special screening at the prestigious BFI IMAX Theatre as part of the London Indian Film Festival. Watching this iconic film in IMAX will give international audiences another chance to experience its scale, its emotion, and its unforgettable climax on one of the world's biggest cinema screens. A truly fitting tribute to a timeless classic. When Lagan first released in 2001, very few people could have imagined the legacy it would create. Set during British rule, the story follows a group of villagers who challenge British officers to a game of cricket, with freedom from heavy taxes at stake. It was a story about courage, unity, hope, and the belief that ordinary people can achieve extraordinary things. That's what made Lagan unforgettable. The film also received an Academy Award nomination for Best International Feature Film, making it one of the very few Indian films to earn that prestigious global recognition. R. Rahman's unforgettable music, the soulful songs, and every memorable character continue to live in the hearts of audiences even today. 25 years later, Lagan is much more than just a blockbuster. It remains a benchmark for storytelling, a symbol of cinematic excellence, and a film that continues to inspire generations of filmmakers and movie lovers around the world. From the rare honor by India Post to emotional reunions, successful theatrical screenings, and international celebrations, the Silver Jubilee of Lagan is a perfect reminder of the extraordinary journey of a film that has truly become a part of Indian cinema history. Some films entertain us, some films inspire us, and then there are films like Lagan, films that become timeless. Congratulations to Amir Khan, Ashutosh Gowarikar, the entire cast, the crew, and everyone associated with this unforgettable masterpiece on completing 25 glorious years. Now it's your turn. Which is your favorite moment from Lagan? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bollywood news and exclusive entertainment updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.